Radio frequency identification or RFID is the label system which was developed since 1980. The characteristic of RFID is RFID tag which can read value by radio wave profile in order to detect, tag, and record data that is in the tag, and take to embed and interact with objects such as product box or things. It can tag data for objects by contactless or doesn't see that objects. RFID works by using reader which transmit text with radio wave in order to read and write data. Radio frequency identification consists of a tiny silicon computer chip and an antenna. Remote reader can scan and send to a database backbone of Internet of Things. Each chip can give a unique serial number to every product. Its antenna helps remote scanner read the RFID tags. They read them through materials like fiber and plastic. RFID is better than barcode system. For example, 1. It gives more information and can contain more data that can separate different products, though it is same stock keeping unit. 2. Speed of reading data of RFID bar is faster than speed of reading data from barcode. 3. It can read data simultaneously. 4. Non-line of sight. 5. Accuracy of reading data by barcode is 80%, but accuracy of reading data by RFID is 99.5%. 6. It can rewrite data so it can be used. 7. It can eliminate the problem which occur from reading data repeatedly. 8. It resists weight, vibration, and impact. RFID advantage: no line of sight, text embedded anywhere, higher data capacity, faster read rate, 101,000 texts per second. The component of RFID system has two parts. 1. Tag or transporter. The structure in the tag consists of parts of IC, which is semiconductor chip, and part of spiral, which is the mask for sending and receiving data. They join together. Transporter or tag characteristic is a microchip. Chip or tag may be multiform shape depending on how to use. It may be shaped like credit card or small like pencil lead in order to embed under animal skin, or may be very large shape in order to attack machine when it's transported. Tag has two kinds. 1. Passive tag. It doesn't have battery inside or doesn't receive supply because it works by using electricity, which is happened by induction for reader. 2. Active tag. This tag has battery inside. Passive tag will be lightweight and small, low cost and long lifetime, but disadvantage is short distance for receiving and sending data and small memory. The advantage of active tag is large memory and long distance, but it's high cost. Reader or interrogator. The role of reader is receiving data from the tag and decoding signal by microcontroller algorithm which is in the firmware. This role is sending signal, decoding signal, and contacting computer to take data into the process. RFID is the system which takes radio wave to be carrier wave in order to use in the communication between tag and reader that is wireless by taking data to do modulation with radio wave and sending out at the mask in the receiver. How RFID works? First, reader will send magnetic wave every time and detect text in the magnetic wave area or call to detect modulation. Second, when text come in the magnetic wave area, it will receive electricity. In order that text work and send data in the memory by modulation with carrier wave, then send out at the mesh. Third, carrier wave which is sent out text will change amplitude, frequency, or phase depend on the modulation methods. Fourth, reader will detect locally of carrier wave and decode in order to take data to use next work. The example of RFID.
Consumers need safeguards. For Albrecht, a first step would be labeling all RFID products.
Provide the perfect basis for keeping goods on the shelves at all times.